Today we join Ephelia as she whips up the recipe for a hearty and well-balanced Williams. She's working with ingredients provided by folks like you. First, she scoops in assurance that financial access is never a barrier for students admitted to Williams. Of course, once students are on campus, they need the right ingredients to help them grow. Being the first is hard work, so she tips in intentional programming to help the transition. Then add chances for students to connect beyond the classroom, a few dashes of teamwork, collaboration, and competition, and of course artistic expression on the stage and beyond. Now for the flavors of campus support. Belonging to ensure students can learn and thrive. Accommodations, so students of all abilities can do their best work. And offices and services that focus on holistic well-being. Just as our faculty pour their hearts and minds into teaching, we pour in some help for them too. When contributions for these areas and more mix together, we end up with a Williams crafted to help students flourish. Thank you for supporting Williams.